All right, let's go ahead and change the battery out on our remote. This task here, no special tools are needed for. The only thing you need to have is a CR2032 battery. If you got your emergency blade in, you will need to remove that and take this off your key ring. With that being said, your emergency release right here. Go ahead and take your fingernail, slide it over. And when you do, you'll look down in here, you'll see an indentation. Put the tip of the key blade in there, push down. Two halves come apart. If it comes apart like this, don't worry, just squeeze aside. So circuit board's right there. Put it back in, gently push in, so it's flush. Now, you got your battery. Take the bottom. There you go. You got it out. Let's insert a new battery, which is a CR2032, positive side down, which is the bottom of the button battery. When you do, it seats like that. Take the two halves, and we'll put them together. And when you put them together, make sure everything's aligned in here. And gently squeeze. And when it snaps together, you know it's sealed. Hey, thanks again for watching. And if you would, make a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if this video helped you. Be safe out there.